Welcome to this guided meditation that is meant to help you bring your desires closer to you. In this practice, you will tap into your inner power and call in what you are wishing for most. You will leave with peace and certainty of knowing that it is already yours. Let's start off by getting into a comfortable position and taking some deep breaths. However you typically meditate or whatever position you are feeling called to take right now, just get there with ease and face your palms upwards. Now that you're comfy, start breathing at a pace that feels good to you. Take at least one deep breath as you continue to ground into this practice. As we enter this practice, remember that the universe always has your back. Everything is working in your favor. I'm going to count back from 10, and as I do, I want you to get very clear on which desires you want to call in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when I say 1, imagine that this desire is yours right now. 1. You have it right now. It is in your reality. How good and amazing does that feel? What feelings are coming up as you welcome this into your world? Don't force anything. Whatever comes up naturally is perfect. What are you experiencing as it's happening? Where are you when you receive it? What's happening around you? Who are you sharing this beautiful news with? How do you feel as you get to share and live with this new blessing? Ground into the little details of the celebration of receiving your blessing. Continue to breathe with so much gratitude. Thank the universe for bringing this into your life. Be grateful that it is here with the utmost divine timing. Things are unfolding exactly how they should. Everything is working in your favor. Trust the power of divine timing. These blessings are all yours. Blessings continue to flow to you with abundance. How good does it feel to know that this is yours with certainty? Doesn't it feel so good and peaceful to know that it is yours? Continue to feel all the beautiful feelings that come with this blessing. As we begin to close down this practice, I want you to remember that this specific desire was placed into your heart for a reason. It was placed in your heart to be yours, and for that, it already is yours. Breathe that in. I am so proud of you for putting yourself first today, for carving out this time for yourself, for using the beautiful practice of meditation to bring your desires closer to you. You are such a beautiful being. Feel free to sit in these feelings for as long as you'd like. The feelings of knowing that this blessing is already yours. But when you're ready, you can begin to open your eyes and adjust to the world around you. But like I said, only when you're ready. Continue to feel these feelings of abundance on a daily basis. Act as if this desire is already yours. And don't worry about it. Know that it is coming to you with absolute certainty. Like I said, it was placed in your heart for a reason. It is already yours. I would love to hear what you called in today, so comment below and let me know what feelings came up with that. Carry these feelings of joy and abundance with you throughout the rest of your day and the rest of your life. I'm sending you so much love as your desire is on its way to you. Thank you for being here. I love you so much.